When you think of elegance in the animal kingdom, the flamingo may not be the first creature that comes to mind, but perhaps it should be. With their vibrant pink feathers, long stilt-like legs, and unmistakable S-curved necks, flamingos aren't just birds, they're a statement. But there's more to these flamboyant fowls than just their eye-catching looks. From their surprising diets to synchronized dance rituals, flamingos are truly some of nature's most fascinating wonders. They gather in vast, breathtaking flocks, transforming any landscape into something extraordinary. Flamingos capture our imagination vividly, perhaps due to their unusual color or peculiar way of standing on one leg. They belong to their own unique bird order, Phaenicopteriformes. From their beaks to their toes, every feature is perfectly adapted for their specialized way of life. Seeing a flamingo is always a delight, whether in a wildlife documentary or in the wild. Their appearance is simply unforgettable, bringing a sense of the exotic. They are nature's Rosy Marvels, birds that paint the wetlands pink. Let us delve deeper into their world and uncover the secrets of these fascinating beings. Join us as we explore the wonders of flamingos. A flamingo's body is a masterpiece of adaptation. Their long legs allow them to wade into deeper waters for food. These legs are strong, supporting them for hours on one limb. Their flexible necks allow for incredible reach and movement. Essential for feeding, they dip their heads upside down. Their bent beak is crucial for feeding. They hold their beaks upside down, filtering food. Webbed feet help them stand in mud and swim well. From top to toe, they are an evolutionary success. These adaptations make flamingos truly remarkable. The most famous trait of a flamingo is its stunning pink color. But where does this vibrant hue come from? It is not something they are born with. Young flamingos are gray or white and gradually acquire their pink feathers. This transformation is a direct result of their diet, rich in pigments called carotenoids. Flamingos consume tiny brine shrimp, insects, algae, and crustaceans, which are rich in carotenoids. When digested, these pigments are deposited in the growing feathers, resulting in those lovely shades of pink and red. The intensity of a flamingo's color indicates its health and success in finding food. Different species of flamingo show variations in color, depending on their specific diet and habitat. So, while all adult flamingos are pink, the exact shade can vary wonderfully. A beautiful spectrum painted by nature's own hand through the simple act of eating. Flamingos have very specific habitat requirements, preferring large, shallow bodies of water. These can be saltwater lagoons or alkaline lakes, often harsh environments where few other large animals can thrive. You can find these remarkable birds in various parts of the world. Africa is famous for its vast flamingo flocks, especially in the Rift Valley lakes. South America hosts several species in the high Andes Mountains and along coastal areas of the Caribbean. Asia and Southern Europe also have flamingo populations, though smaller. These birds are quite nomadic, traveling long distances to find the best feeding and breeding conditions. There are 6 different species in total. The greater flamingo is the most widespread, found in Africa, Asia, and southern Europe. The lesser flamingo is found mainly in Africa and India. The American flamingo, or Caribbean flamingo, is the brightest, found in the Caribbean and Galapagos. The other 3 species are South American, each adapted to its own unique niche. Flamingos are truly global, though specialized birds. The way a flamingo eats is quite extraordinary. They are highly specialized filter feeders, using their large, bent beaks in an upside-down position. They sweep their heads from side to side through shallow water or soft mud, stirring up potential food items. Once the water and mud enter the beak, the flamingo's tongue pumps water through the lamellae, trapping tiny particles of food. Different flamingo species have slightly varied diets, reflected in their beak structure. Lesser flamingos have very fine filters, allowing them to feed on tiny blue-green algae and microscopic diatoms. Greater flamingos have coarser filters, eating larger items like brine shrimp, mollusks, and small insects. This dietary difference allows different species to coexist in the same habitats without direct competition. This filter feeding mechanism is very efficient, allowing flamingos to thrive in waters that might seem barren to other creatures. Let's now explore their social lives and courtship. Flamingos are highly social creatures, living in large groups called flocks or colonies. These colonies can number in the tens of thousands or even over 1 million birds. Living together provides protection and helps in finding food and mates. There is constant communication through vocalizations and visual displays. For breeding, flamingos engage in elaborate courtship displays. Large groups march in unison, stretch their necks, and flick their heads. Once bonded, they build mud nests and lay a single egg. Both parents take turns incubating the egg and later feeding the chick with a red-colored secretion known as crop milk, a nutrient-rich substance produced in their digestive tracts. Fascinating flamingo facts. They stand on one leg to conserve body heat, though scientists are still studying the full reasoning behind this odd behavior. Flamingos can sleep standing up, even balancing on one leg. They are highly intelligent and social, often forming lifelong bonds with mates and companions. They can live up to 40 to 50 years in captivity, though slightly less in the wild. Currently, flamingos are not considered endangered. They often live in regions of great ecological importance. Protecting their habitats also means preserving biodiversity and clean water for entire ecosystems. Here, ecotourism can play a role too. The rarer species like the Andean and James's flamingos need to be protected. Flamingos are more than just pretty and pink. Beneath their glamorous facade is a complex, resilient, and deeply social bird that thrives in some of the world's harshest environments. Whether you see them wading through a sun-drenched lagoon or gracefully preening in a zoo exhibit, flamingos are a symbol of the delicate beauty and incredible adaptability of wildlife. Let's continue to appreciate and protect these rosy marvels. We hope you enjoyed this video and would love for you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our new uploads of similar content. We appreciate your support. See you in next one.